friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do paper quilling. So today we are going to make two cards of paper quilling. We are going to make a caterpillar and a butterfly. My favorite, a butterfly. So for that we need this. Looks like hair. Paper strips, and the paper strips look like paper hair. We need these two. We need these two colored papers. We need a scissor and glue. For sticking. Let's begin. So first I want to make the caterpillar card. So for the caterpillar we need a green strip. We need 8 green strips. Okay, so we use this tool to roll the paper. So there is a little bit gap. We have to put the paper inside the gap and roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly. So we are going to use a dark green color for the head. Caterpillar is ready.